Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Alexander Newsome with reallifetrading.com. Trust you are doing amazing. It is Wednesday with an I in the building, and we make a new high on SPY, 282.38. Nice little bounce down here, and today was a glorious gap on the SPY. Gapping above the upper shadow of yesterday's candle and gapping above the highs of these candles. So just a brilliant, brilliant gap on the SPY. Very strong. Here's the first 5-minute candle, and it was so easy to play this bullish today. SPY, I mean, you would have gotten in here, stop there, and boom. How much money do you want to make? SPY. Gorgeous little move. Nice gap, nice candle pattern. Looking strong. So yeah, SPY, new 52-week high, and interested to see what happens from here. Here's the Qs, and the Qs also beautiful bullish trend. Again, phenomenal gap above the high of yesterday. Perfect retest into the 10 EMA. Could not ask for a better setup on the Qs. That was lovely. And again, right now, trend is still bullish. Buy the dip. Apple, bullish trend. Buy the dip. Facebook, bullish trend. Buy the dip. Looks good. Here's Nvidia, NVDA. And Nvidia was up largely today. 3.75%. You got a big close above 156.16. And I think that there was a specific place that discussed the imminent pressure building on Nvidia. Let me see if I can find a specific recording of that. Next on the list is Nvidia. And Nvidia just hit the 100 simple on the daily chart. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get a good chance to keep a very close eye on Nvidia the next day or two. Because if Nvidia gaps above here or closes above here or makes some type of strong bullish move above 165.55, I think the pressure is building. So, yep, I like it. Keep an eye out for this triangle to pop out on Nvidia. I mean, this thing starts running, it could be a good move. Boom, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Holla at your boy. We're talking about Nvidia yesterday during Tech Giant Tuesday for all of those in the afternoon swing trading room. So that was Nvidia. Good close, good breakout, good volume. From here, she will be moving higher over time. Looks glorious. ACB had a good move today as well. Aurora Cannabis. Gorgeous volume on the daily chart. Here's the 5-minute time frame, and the 5-minute time frame, this is what a trade that a few traders played earlier today, and it just traded right down, right to make a new low of the day, posted a perfect morning star. This is what I refer to as a trapping candle. Trapped everybody and then bounced and continued higher. We are in a swing trade on Aurora Cannabis, but for all those who subscribe to the weekly options newsletter, you already know that. We're in some $8 calls for April, and we're up about an R and some change on that. Very nice gap. Nice volume. Good trend. Gotta love it. Keep holding ACB if you're in bullish. Here's QTT, and this is a swing trade that we're also in on bullish. And right now, so far, it looks pretty good. Good volume, good gap, good looking trend. So at this particular point in time, thumbs up on that one. Here's HBI, and HBI was looking for that to potentially roll down. That was also an options trade that we're playing as well. So that's Haynes Brands. And did I have any other stocks that were requested today? I think I did. Give me 1 second. Where's that note? Let me pull up that note. Here we go. Yes, I had one trader request KEG. So here's KEG, Key Energy Services, and this one does look really interesting. Here's the weekly chart, and I do like the kind of like double bottom-esque pattern down here on a weekly. Daily time frame looks pretty good. You're above all of the moving averages, and volume is starting to come in. I like it. I love the candle that came in yesterday. I like the higher high today. I like the hourly chart. Here's the long-term moving average, and we just hit the 100. So feel free to keep key energy services on your watch list for a potential bullish trade. But overall, I mean, it looks nice, looks cute. Close above, breakout above, retest to that particular level, and it should be good to go. Let's talk about Roku, but before we do that, I want to just give a giant shout out to everyone who participated in the last Donors Choose. So wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for everyone who enriched the lives of everyone in Miss Roberts' class in Greenfield, Tennessee. So this thing filled up within about 10 minutes of me sending out the email, and I was really excited to see that. So since today is Wednesday, which means it's another stock review, that means I got ourselves another Donors Choose to donate to and help out the children and the teachers and all those involved. This one's going to be easy. Miss Strickler in Star, Idaho. $333 needed. Let's make that happen, ladies and gentlemen. That should be very easy. 333 of us could put in $1, and we will fill this bad boy up before Friday. I can guarantee it. So let's make it happen. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been so exciting so far to see all that has occurred. Roku was the gap of the day, and yes, your boy posted a beautiful bearish trade on this one on Roku earlier today. Let me zoom up in here. Give me about 20 seconds. There's a lot of great trades posted. Give me just a moment. Give me just a moment. Keep scrolling. There's a lot of great trades out there today, but if you are checking this one out, check this out. 8:48 a.m. Central. Was looking for, so once it broke the VWAP, it was obviously a very, very bearish gap because this is what Roku looks like on the weekly chart. 11 white candles in a row. Are you kidding me? So, tons of buyers trade up into this resistance. This is a really great trade that we talked about just a few days ago on the 6th, where I said Roku was absolutely and ridiculously extended and needed to pull back. So I got into a 74.80 bull call spread, which I got out of on the 11th when it made that new high. And 85.90 bear call spread on Roku looks really good after today. Plus, obviously, a great gap down, phenomenal retest gap. Look at this 5-minute chart. I mean, if you didn't make money bearish on Roku today, you need to go back to school. This thing was so easy. Gorgeous gap. Feel free to back trade Roku, ladies and gentlemen, if you need more practice on your retest gaps. But it didn't get more simple, clear, easy than Roku today. Another good gap was PDD. Pin Duo Duo. Getting in below this tweezer bottom. Are you kidding me? A tweezer bottom? 26.50, 26.50 on a 5-minute chart. Here's the daily. Look at this gap right below the 50. Everybody's trapped. Get in short. Nice little move on Pin Duo Duo. That about wraps it up for me, folks. Remember, if you have any stocks that you want me to look at, just message it and post it in the comment section below. Happy to check out whatever you want. I have Energy Wednesday for those traders who subscribe to the Real Life Trading Afternoon Room. That comes up in 36 minutes. And then just some more greatness to transpire from here. Folks from around the world, you rock. I'll see you all later. And until next time, love life and trade it. Bye.